combination of resistance. Two type of combination is there: series combination and parallel combination. This is series combination. When two or more resistors are connected end to end to each other, they are said to be connected in series. If end to end, first resistance is there, second end to end connection is there, first 1 2 1 2 like that, so they are called in series. एक आपको बताया जाएगा पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. तो हम पहले सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन ले रहे हैं. ठीक है. इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन व्हाट वी हैव डन, थ्री रेजिस्टर्स ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस R1, रेजिस्टेंस R2, रेजिस्टेंस R3 कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज टू ए बैटरी. बैटरी का ईएमएफ या पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जो दे रहा है V, और वन की इज अप्लाइड. In series, one rheostat is there, a meter to measure the current, and voltmeter we have connected across the resistor. When key is closed, जैसे key हमने close किया, what happen? Current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal through resistance. When key K is closed, current I flows through circuit. As resistors are in series, current I will be same. See here, in series circuit current will be same for all resistance. क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही बताया था, I have told you in series by junction law current will flow through the same line. That's why current I will be same for resistance R1, R2 and R3. Next thing I have told you, due to different resistance what happen, V1 V2 V3 potential difference across resistance will be different. Current will same, but resistance is different, potential drop will be different. The potential difference across the resistance V1 V2 and V3 across R1 R2 and R3, I have assumed there is no loss of energy. If no loss of energy, then potential difference across end point A to D, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 by Ohm's law. What we know? The potential difference across resistance V is equal to IR. So here V1 is equal to what? IR1. Let it equation 1, so this is equation 2. This is equation 1, so this is equation 2. For resistance R2, V2 is equal to what? I into R2. Same way for resistance R3, V3 is equal to what? Ohm's law. Ohm's law क्या कहता है बेटा? V is equal to IR. For resistance R1 current is I, potential difference is V1, so V1 is equal to IR1. Same way V2 is equal to, for resistance R2, IR2, V3 is equal to IR3. So put all these values in first equation, what happened? V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. If RS is equivalent resistance. What is the meaning of equivalent resistance? If these three resistance are replaced by only one resistance, same current will flow. So this RS will be the equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 and R3. इन तीनों के साथ भी एक सिंगल हमने रेजिस्टेंस यूज किया, एंड सेम करंट विल फ्लो, सेम इफेक्ट विल फ्लो, सेम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल कम, सेम वही पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस भी आ रहा है, सेम करंट आ रहा है. तो दिस RS इज कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. तो RS हमने क्या लिया बेटा? इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. तो बाय दिस ओम्स लॉ इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? V इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा बेटा? IRS. put here. So IRS is equal to IR1, IR2, IR3. Divide I full equation. So RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. ये आपका क्या है बेटा, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस का फार्मूला व्हेन रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. जब रेजिस्टेंस अगर सीरीज में कनेक्टेड होगा तो आर एस इज इक्वल टू आर वन प्लस आर टू प्लस आर थ्री. बहुत सिंपल है. वी नो V इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एंड पॉइंट. V इज इक्वल टू V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3. ओम्स लॉ, V1 इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा बेटा, IR1, V2 इज इक्वल टू IR2, V3 इज इक्वल टू IR3. और इनको पुट किया, इफ RS इज इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस तो V इज इक्वल टू IRS. पुट किया यहाँ IRS इज इक्वल टू IR1 प्लस IR2 प्लस IR3. तो सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है बेटा, सम ऑफ ऑल रेजिस्टेंस. सी पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, when two or more resistors are connected simultaneously between 2 points to each other, then they are said to be connected in parallel combination. Three resistors are there, they are connected between the 2 points, 2 points A and B, they have connected. So this is called parallel combination. Series combination में हमने क्या देखा था, 1 2 1 2 end to end connection is there. Here all resistors are connected between 2 points A and B. So this is called parallel combination. So two combinations are there, series combinations and parallel combination. So three resistor of resistance R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel to battery whose potential difference we have taken V. One key is there, K, and rheostat for measuring, rheostat to control the current. One ammeter is there, one voltmeter I have also connected. When key K is closed, current I will flow through the main circuit. Current I will flow, which divides into three parts, I1, I2 and I3, which divides at point A. Let I1, I2 and I3 are current flows through resistance R1. I1 is current through R1, I2 is current through R2, I3 is current through R3. As we know, potential difference is property of initial and final position. Potential difference does not depend upon path. It will be same for point A and B through all path. The potential difference through path R1 is also V, R2 is also V, R3 is also V, which is equal to potential difference between the terminal of cell. We are assuming that there is no loss of energy. By junction law at point A, what happened? Incoming current is equal to outgoing current. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This I have given equation 1. Ohm's law. Potential difference is V, current I1, resistance R1. So V is equal to what? I1 R1, which implies that if R2 I have taken here, so I1 is equal to what? V upon I1 R1, sorry. V is equal to I1 R1. So I1 is equal to what? V upon R1. Question 2. Same way for this resistance. Potential difference is same to I2 R2. What is I2 here? V upon R2. Same way for this, V is equal to I3 R3. I3 is equal to V upon R3. Put I1, I2, I3 in equation first. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I1 we can put V upon R1, V upon R2 and V upon R3. See here, if all three resistors we have replaced by one resistor RP, same cell battery I have connected and same current will flow. वही current flow हो रहा है. I. What we have done? RP is equivalent resistance. Resistance of parallel combination. पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन हमने क्या लिया बेटा? आरपी. आरपी इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस का मतलब क्या हुआ कि these three resistances replaced by a single resistance and which gives the same effect. वही इफेक्ट मिले, वही करंट मिले, वही पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप मिले. यानी यहाँ पर अगर हम चेक करें तो सेम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल बी देयर. ठीक है, तो दिस आरपी विल कॉल्ड क्या? इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ R1 R2 एंड R3 फॉर पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. इस पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए वो क्या होगा? इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस. तो देन बाय ओम्स लॉ अगेन यू विल से V is equal to IRP और I is equal to क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? V upon RP. तो put I here in this equation. V upon RP. अब यहाँ पर अगर हम पुट करेंगे इस इक्वेशन को तो V upon RP resistance, equivalent resistance of parallel combination is equal to V. I have taken common here. तो 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. V cancel out या divide both sides. तो 1 upon RP is equal to 1 upon R1 1 upon R. So this is the equivalent resistance formula for parallel combination. So in series combination what we have seen, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. In parallel combination what we have seen, 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. See here, if I have taken n resistor, here n resistors we have taken R1, R2, R3 like that Rn. What will be the equivalent resistance? R equivalent फॉर दिस सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होता है बेटा? R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 कहाँ तक जाएंगे? Rn. सेम वे इफ वी हैव टेकन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, ऐसे ही पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन आई हैव टेकन हाउ मेनी रेजिस्टेंस? आई हैव टेकन n रेजिस्टेंस. ऑल आर कनेक्टेड बिटवीन द टू पॉइंट्स. टू पॉइंट्स के बीच में हमने कनेक्ट किया R1, R2, R3. This is Rn. So what will be the equivalent resistance in this? यहाँ पर equivalent resistance if you want to find, so what happen? 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 1 upon R3 dash 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 plus 1 upon Rn. ये सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन है. ये कौन सा फार्मूला होगा? पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. तो सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन के इक्विवेलेंट के लिए हम जनरली RS से डिनोट करते हैं और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन के लिए हम जनरली किससे डिनोट करते हैं बेटा? इक्विवेलेंट को RP से. तो RS इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 Rn एंड हियर आर इक्विवेलेंट. तो 1 upon RP इज इक्वल टू 1 upon R1 प्लस 1 upon R2 डैश डैश 1 upon Rn. Find equivalent resistance in question first, second, third and fourth. See here 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 resistance they have connected in series. देखिए बेटा यहाँ सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन है. इफ सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन इज देयर तो फॉर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस? व्हाट विल बी द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस? वी नो फॉर सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन R is equal to what? R1 plus R2 plus R3. तो 1 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. तो दैट इज इक्वल टू कितना होगा बेटा? 6. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्टेंट और इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस? दैट इज 6. इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन इफ यू सी all threes are in parallel, they are connected between the 2 points. For this what we know the formula? 1 upon R between C and D, parallel combination is there. Between C and D, we know the formula 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. If you solve 6, 2 3s are, 3 2s are, add this 11 by 6. So this equivalent resistance will be 6 upon 11. So here resultant 6 ohm, here resultant will be 6 upon 11 ohm. For this suppose E, F, I have taken this is M, N. So see here, 2 and 3 are in parallel. And result of this connected 1 ohm by series. So firstly you will find by for this parallel series. What happened? What will be the resistance between M and N? So parallel combination 1 upon R Mn is equal to what? 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. Take LCM, 2 3s are, 3 2s are. So that will come 5 by 6. 1 upon Rmn 5 by 6, so Rmn is 6 upon 5. So result will come 6 upon 5. And this result combined with 1 ohm in series method. So what will be the equivalent resistance between E and F? So REF for series combination, what we know? Sum, direct sum. So sum of resistance between EM and resistance between MN. So this Rmn. So it will come 1 plus 6 upon 5. So this will be 11 by 5. So 11 by 5 ohm will be the equivalent resistance for this. For this fourth question, what happened? See here, these 2 and 3 is in series. What will be the resultant of this? 2 and 3. So equivalent of 2 and 3, I have denoted by R dash 2 plus 3. So this will become 5 ohm. So this figure we can convert in the form of 1 ohm and this is 5 ohm. This can be converted in the form of this. So this 1 and 5, they are in parallel. So for parallel combination, what happened? 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 5. We have to apply parallel combination formula. What happened? 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. So resultant combination, equivalent resistance for this circuit will 5 by 6. मैंने तीनों चीज़ें आपको बताई, ठीक है? सीरीज कम्बिनेशन, पैरेलल कम्बिनेशन, कम्बिनेशन ऑफ सीरीज एंड पैरेलल। एक चीज़ सिर्फ यहाँ पर आप ध्यान देना कि व्हेन सीरीज कम्बिनेशन इज देयर, जब सीरीज कम्बिनेशन हो तो जो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस होगा वो ऑलवेज क्या होता है, सीरीज कम्बिनेशन का वो हमेशा इंडिविजुअल से क्या होता है बेटा, ग्रेटर होता है। ये बहुत एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, जो आप ध्यान में रखिए कि सीरीज कम्बिनेशन, if we'll see, the equivalent resistance will be always more than individual resistance. When we will talk about the parallel combination, अगर आप parallel combination की बात करें तो parallel combination में जितने भी resistance connected होंगे R1, R2, R3, here equivalent resistance is always क्या होता है बेटा, less than individual. ये हमेशा less than क्या होता है बेटा, individual. तो ये एक चीज आप ध्यान में रखो कि सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का इक्विवेलेंट हमेशा क्या होगा बेटा, ग्रेटर देन इंडिविजुअल, जबकि पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का जो रिजल्टेंट होता है इक्विवेलेंट वो क्या होता है बेटा, इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टेंस से भी हमेशा कम होता है।